What's up guys? Magandang bahay, magandang buhay. This is Ray. And right now we are here at Santa Rosa, Laguna para i-check yung new listing natin. Check out natin yung bahay. Here's the main entrance. Okay, and then pagpasok nyo dito sa house, makikita nyo dito on the left side, pagpasok nyo, you have a spacious area here na medyo bare pa na pwede nyong designan or alam mo yun, for garden or kung ano man pwede nyo ilagay. And of course, meron tayong garahe dito na kasya ang dalawang kotse siguro or isang kotse, dalawang motor. So, and we also have an entrance here. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. We have two entrance, meron sa likod, meron sa harap, which is the main entrance. Pakita ko muna yung sa likod. Basically, this will serve as your laundry area since may drainage, or I'm sure pwede nyo maging laundry area dito. Here's the dirty kitchen. Katabi po siya nung sinasabi kong door from the outside na isa pang entrance na. So ayun, napakita ko na sa inyo yung entrance dito sa likod. Yung pati yung dirty kitchen and laundry area natin. Here's the main entrance. Buksan muna natin. And then from here, sa main entrance natin, pagbukas nyo, sasalubungan kayo ng spacious living area nyo. So pwede nyo dito ilagay yung living area nyo. Meron tayong divider dito or partition. Pwede dito nyo ilagay yung living area. And then here, meron na tayong aircon. Inverter na siya. And we have another room here. So dito naman, pwede nyo gawing guest room or pwede yung sariling kwarto na may sarili din siyang CR. And then paglabas natin, makikita nyo sa left side, here's the kitchen. We have a storage here. Katabi ng storage, we have a CR. Ito yung sinasabi kong entrance from likod, yung dirty kitchen and laundry area natin. So dito tayo sa stairs. So this is a two-story house. Pagkakita dito sa second floor, meron tayong tatlong rooms here, here, at saka dito. I think this is the master's bedroom since ito yung pinakamalaki. And this is the only room that has its own bathroom. Yeah. And access to the balcony. Pakita mo yung balcony. So maganda din yung village, tahimik, may exclusive vibe. Pwede kang mag-chill dito. Balik tayo sa loob guys, tingnan natin yung ibang room. Sarado lang natin yung room. So yung CR pala niya, may bathtub na. And I think all rooms has its own aircon, air conditioner, lahat inverter. Check natin dito. Dahil only the master's bedroom has its own aircon and then yung room sa baba. Sa second room natin, ito. Kung may dalawang adult kayong anak, pwedeng tig-isa sila or kung kids, tig-isa dito. Tapos dito na lang kung sino man yung family member nyo na kasama nyo sa house. So again, balikin tayo dito sa baba. Sa second floor, we have 3 rooms. And dito sa baba, meron tayong 1 bedroom na may sariling CR. And yeah. So far, napakita ko naman na yung house sa inyo. If you think this property is the right place for you, you can contact us here on this contact number. It will pop up on the screen. And for more details and property options, you can visit our social media accounts or visit our website at www.snrrealty.com. Once again, my name is Ray and this is SNR, creating better places, one neighborhood at a time. Magandang bahay, magandang buhay.